guys, we're up here in the mountains in the Cascade Mountain Range, really close to our house, about an hour away. And we're in for a special treat. I knew you knew that. This is a wonderful day because we found a whole bunch of lion's mane mushroom. This is lion's mane mushroom, this is lion's mane mushroom. But what I want everybody to see, so this, when you look at this, you think of white matter in the brain. At least I think of that. So this is one of our best herbs and foods, actually, for nerve growth factor differentiation. It's called Horiculum erinaceus. It's also called the hedgehog mushroom. It's called the sheep's head mushroom, the boar's head mushroom, the bear's head mushroom. But the main thing is it has these teeth-like spines, and you can kind of see them here. You see those little kind of spines in there, and then the spores come off these little kind of teeth, I guess you might call them. So it is an amazing, basically we just think of it as a nerve regenerator. It helps with remyelinating the neurons. It's neuroregenerative. There's been 12 studies at least on its neuroregeneration abilities, and so that's really awesome. And it causes a reduction of beta amyloid plaques in the brain. So when you think about Alzheimer's or you think about dementia, all those kinds of sort of nervous system or brain problems that really are like kind of growing at epidemic proportions. So just taking a couple of capsules of lion's mane mushroom, or maybe even better, is eating it in the food. So this one right down here is really pretty. I don't know if you can get that one, Jeff, but I'm going to take some of this. And sorry, you guys, it was kind of in a bad location. Jeff found it, and it's got some usnea above it. But you can see, so white is really the color that it is, but then if it gets older, it turns into this kind of sort of brown tan color, which I still think has good properties. It's just maybe you don't like to eat it as much as for food. So we use it for Alzheimer's for people. It's also good for postmenopausal anxiety and depression. So any kind of, it's just good anytime there's a nerve problem or a brain problem, psychological stuff. I think it would be good for, and there's no contraindications of it. It's completely safe. And so I think, like, these guys up here are a little bit old, but we'll still eat them. So if you chop it up, and I want to say it loves it up here because these are all silver firs, a lot of them are, and it loves silver firs, type of fir that's kind of at sort of alpine or subalpine. We're up in the mountains right now, so but anyway, if you chop it up and you put it with olive oil and just maybe a tiny bit of garlic, or maybe leave the garlic out, it tastes like seafood. They say it tastes like lobster. Of course, I haven't had lobster in 25 years, but or more. But it has that kind of consistency. It's a loamy type of consistency. And the main thing is, it's so safe of a medicine that it's actually food. So it's in that food grade medicine rather than that pharmaceutical type herbal category. It's a food type category. So anyway, bon appetit.